Hello designer! In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern typography design in Adobe Illustrator.
The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. Go to the rectangle tool and draw the rectangle on the artboard size, then apply the gradient to it. Then follow my gradient settings. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Go to the Ellipse tool, draw a circle as is you see, change it to the outline, then go to the Type tool and choose Type on the Path tool and type your text. Change the font to Acumen Variable Concept Bold. Follow me here. When you finish these steps, make a copy and place aside. We will need it. Turn the text to the outline and change its color to the white. Go to the Effect menu, 3D and Materials, Extrude and Bevel. Follow my steps here. After that, go to the Gradient tool and apply the gradient color. Follow my steps. When you are satisfied with your design, go to the Object menu and make Expand Appearance. Then draw a circle almost on the size of the object. Delete the upper half of the circle. Go to the Effect menu, 3D Classic if you have a new version of the Adobe Illustrator, and let's go direct to Extrude and Bevel. Follow my settings here. You have to select your poster text and add it to the Symbols tab window. Follow the steps. Boom, here we are. The poster text is on the same shape of the design. Place it on, go to the transparency menu, and choose the overlay mode to make it appear coherent with the design.
Go to the File menu, Place, and bring your file to your artboard. You will find this file in the description if you want to use it. Then make a copy of it, go to the Image Trace tool and Silhouette option. Follow my steps. Place the dark silhouette as the shadow of the main file. Bring it under the file, go to the Effect menu, Blur, Gaussian Blur, follow the settings, then apply the gradient color as it's shown.
And for the final steps, bring your texts and place it the way you see. Follow the steps.
Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment. See you in the next video.